Tesla's robot just replaced a human, officially. But this isn't a headline, it's a full system test with real results. In this video, I'll show you what the robot did, how it performed, and why it might be the first of many human jobs on the chopping block. Now, what happened? In a controlled demo, Tesla assigned Optimus a repetitive factory task, sorting delicate electronic components across bins with variable speed. The goal? See if it could match or exceed a human worker's pace and precision. It did more than match. It ran for 6 hours straight with over 96% task accuracy. No breaks, no recalibration, just a software-driven shift. Why it matters. Elon Musk has been clear. If a task can be done by a robot, eventually it will be. This test proves we're not in the future, we're already here. Optimism for progress? Maybe. But there's also fear. If this one robot can do a full-time job solo, how long until this scales across Tesla's gigafactories or Amazon's warehouses? What's next? Tesla says Optimus will become cheaper and more capable every year, with neural networks that learn from one factory and apply to all others. This isn't just robotics. It's the start of a post-human labor model, and the companies that deploy it first will never go back to human workers for repetitive tasks again. I made this entire video using AI tools. No camera, no editing team. If you want to create content like this and build passive income from AI too, https://pictory.ai. Refleak Hina 41. You don't need to be a video expert, just start. Tesla's future is automated. Yours can be too.